Good morning, everyone. So this morning I am sitting in my studio again. I have about an hour to do a little bit of stuff, so I'm going to organize all the things that I want to cut and sew this afternoon. And so I thought I would pop on while I am sorting all of that out. I am drinking my ketones this morning. I am having Swiss cacao with a little bit of salt and some Mitoplex. So this morning, new low 192.8. So I'm down 0.2 pounds this morning. Super excited about that. The closer I get to 180s, the better I feel. So I was excited to see another loss on the scale this morning. And today's meals are a little bit more involved. I decided that I'm going to have a chaffle BLT for lunch and chicken wraps for dinner. So we will see that later. So this morning, like I said, I am doing I'm doing all my things to get ready for this afternoon. Lunch this morning is again at my restaurant, and we have a huge catering order to do. So I'm kind of excited about that. We usually cater for these guys at least once or twice a year, which we never kind of know when it's happening. So it's nice that it's happening now. So it's like a huge order, probably take us like 20-30 minutes to cook, and then we have to take it over and deliver it. So, and it is for noon. So I have to go this morning to Canadian Wholesale, pick up some bigger containers, because the catering package, they all come in like big, huge tinfoil containers, and then people just scoop out what they want. Excuse me. They just scoop out what they want on their plate, and it's all good. So anyways, so there's that. And also today is swim night. So I am going to go swim. I am going to go and try and get there for 8:30 so that I can have my choice of lanes, and I am going to go over, I think, as far as I can. That way maybe I won't get the whole let's play in the water deal again, and I can swim for a full hour. So I am going to go, and Chris did this thing last time where he grabbed me 5 little floaties, the little like figure 8 shaped ones, and we put them on the side, and I just moved them over to count my laps, and that was a great deal for me so that I knew how many laps I was doing, because before I was just guessing. And then so Chris did that, and so I'm like, genius. So I don't know why I didn't think of that myself. So I'm going to do that again, because chances are my friend who usually comes swimming with me on Thursday nights, her whole family is sick with colds, back to school colds. So she said that she is feeling good, but she may have to stay home and take care of them. So it may just be me swimming tonight. So I think what I'm going to do is go and grab the little floaties and just swim. So I hope to do around 30 laps. Around 30 laps tonight if I can, and then we'll see. I may also do 5 or 10 minutes of running in the pool, depending on who's in there, and because I don't want to run in the pool if we're just doing laps in the lane that I'm in, unless it's just me. So we will see how that goes. I like running in the pool too, because I can run the whole time. I don't have to stop and walk. So just because like there's less weight going on, and stuff. So it's kind of nice because I can get my heart rate going a little bit more, closer to the end of my workout. And then when I'm done, then I'll just get out and, because it's only me, I may go sit in the sauna for a few minutes. So that would be fun. So anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do all the things this morning before I need to leave to go pick up all that stuff for the catering package. And yeah, so I will see you guys when I make lunch. And perhaps I will make lunch on camera so you can see how I make my chaffles. Super easy. I don't like mixing things. I don't like whatever. So I will show you guys how I do that. And yeah, we will go and have some lunch. And I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so it is lunchtime. I've just heated up my chaffle maker. And I'm going to make my chaffles for my sandwich. I did not pick up a tomato, so I am not having tomato on here like I had said before. Sorry about that. Still have a lingering cough every once in a while. Part of it I think is my asthma, but I think part of it also is just the lingering cough. So I bought this Cracker Barrel Mexicana mild cheddar cheese, and that is what I use to sprinkle on the grill. I usually measure out, where's my measuring cup? Just 1 second. I measure out 1/4 cup, and that is for 2 chaffles. So let me just make sure that that is 1/4 cup. And usually what I do is I split it approximately in half, and then I split each of those approximately in half, and that's what I throw on the top and bottom of my chaffles. So there is the 4 little piles. So the first one we're gonna do, so I sprinkle on 1/4 of it, and then I crack an egg on top, kind of slowly, just to get it sort of in the middle in the thing. And then I take another 1/4 pile and I sprinkle that on top. And then I close the lid slowly so that the egg yolk doesn't burst all over everywhere, and that's where you get the mess from. So yeah, so that is it. That is all I do. And then I let it cook for about 3 minutes, whatever time, however long it takes for the little thing to come back on, I think it is. And yeah, that is how I make my chaffles. I do not mix anything. I do not add anything. Usually, sometimes if I'm going to add bacon on there, sometimes I will, but for the most part, I don't add. For the most part, I don't add anything. If I'm going to add something like protein powder or something like that, then yes, I will mix it. But for just regular chaffles, that's it. Super easy. I don't like making it complicated because otherwise I won't eat it, or I won't make it. So yeah, so that is it. I'm going to go ahead and make both of these and get my bacon done, and I will see you when my sandwich is ready. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the bacon to slightly finish. I am having a tablespoon of mayo on here, and I am having lettuce and the bacon. done, all nice and crispy. Well, kind of. Anyways, I just fried this in my frying pan instead of baking the whole sheet because I didn't get to, I ran out of time. And yeah, so there we go. That is my chaffle for the day. Actually, I'm gonna put that on that way. So I'm super excited about this. I've been kind of craving it all day. I really wish I would have picked up a tomato, but it was super busy. As you drive from the restaurant to the to my house, there's a bunch of construction, and I do my best to avoid that, which means going down the back alley, which means I don't get to go to the grocery store because the grocery store is on the other side of the street. So yeah, needless to say, I did not go to the grocery store, so I did not pick up a tomato. But I'm gonna enjoy this just as it is. I will have probably Chris pick up maybe a tomato for tonight because I could put that on my chicken wraps maybe, but we'll think about it. If I think about it, great. If I don't, I'm not too worried about it at all. So anyways, there's my lunch. I hope you had enjoyed watching me make that, and I will see you guys when I eat dinner. Hi guys, so this is dinner. I had to adjust my macros a bit because I forgot to get Chris to pick me up some yogurt. So I put all my protein that I had left for the day on here. So I've got 4 slices of bacon and 5 ounces of chicken with 1 tablespoon of mayo spread between the two, and then some mustard. And I'm having this G0 because I just got done swimming and I'm a little bit dehydrated, so I'm just having that. And yeah, so that is dinner, and that'll be it for tonight. So I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.